back out too.
Hey, I'm just going to get the car up into the concrete.
Yeah. We're only going to go a foot and then we're up there.